Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize credit card offers with Credit One Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Credit One Bank website. Locate the section for credit card offers. Review the different types of credit cards available. Make note of the specific benefits and rewards for each card. Click on the card that interests you to view more details. Read the eligibility requirements carefully. Check your credit score to ensure you meet the criteria. Consider pre-qualification options offered on the site. This allows you to see potential offers without affecting your credit score. Once pre-qualified, take note of the offers presented. Compare these with other credit card offers in the market. Assess features such as annual fees, interest rates, and cashback rewards. Determine which card aligns best with your financial goals. Fill out the online application form with accurate information. Be prepared to provide your income details and other personal information. Submit the application and wait for a response. Once approved, carefully read the cardholder agreement. This document outlines all the terms and conditions of your new card. After receiving your card, activate it as instructed. Familiarize yourself with the online account management tools. Set up alerts for due dates to avoid late fees. Remember to utilize rewards and benefits as you use your card. Monitor your spending to stay within your budget. Regularly review your credit score to track your financial health. Consider periodic checks on your credit card offers for better options. This process will help you stay informed and optimize your credit card choices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.